Max Weber's Charisma and Disenchantment. The Vocation Lectures. Max Weber, a luminary in the field of sociology, left an indelible mark with his profound insights into the complexities of human behavior and the evolution of societies. Among his many influential works, Charisma and Disenchantment, the Vocation Lectures stands as a profound exploration of the dynamics of charisma, authority, and the disenchantment of the modern world. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the key themes and concepts presented in this seminal work, offering a comprehensive understanding for those seeking to grasp Weber's intellectual legacy. 1. Contextualizing the Vocation Lectures. Max Weber's Charisma and Disenchantment comprises a series of lectures delivered between 1918 and 1919, during a pivotal period marked by the aftermath of World War I and the tumultuous political and social landscape in Germany. These lectures provide a unique window into Weber's reflections on the challenges and transformations occurring in the wake of societal upheavals. Weber, having witnessed the upheavals of war and political turbulence, was driven to analyze the fundamental shifts in societal structures. His Vocation Lectures serve as a response to the turbulent times, offering profound insights into the nature of authority, the transformation of traditional beliefs, and the emergence of a rationalized, disenchanting world. 2. Charisma as a source of authority. Central to the Vocation Lectures is Weber's exploration of charisma as a distinct source of authority. Charismatic authority, according to Weber, arises from the exceptional qualities of an individual that inspire devotion and followership. It is not based on traditional structures or rational legal means, but rather on the personal magnetism of the charismatic figure. Charisma is exemplified by figures such as Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King Jr., or Steve Jobs. These leaders possessed an extraordinary ability to inspire and mobilize people, transcending conventional forms of authority. The captivating charisma of these figures led to the formation of movements, shaping the course of history. 3. The three types of authority. Weber classifies authority into three distinct types: traditional, charismatic, and rational legal. Traditional authority draws from established customs and norms. Charismatic authority relies on exceptional personal qualities, and rational legal authority is based on established rules and regulations. Understanding these types provides a framework for comprehending the shifting dynamics in various social and political contexts. Exploring traditional authority takes us to monarchies and feudal systems, where legitimacy is derived from historical continuity and customary practices. Charismatic authority is embodied by figures like Nelson Mandela, whose exceptional qualities and leadership during the anti-apartheid movement personified charisma. Rational legal authority, exemplified by modern legal and bureaucratic systems, relies on established rules and regulations for legitimacy. 4. The process of disenchantment. Weber's concept of disenchantment refers to the rationalization and demystification of the world, particularly in the wake of modernization. As societies progress, traditional beliefs and enchantments give way to rationalized, scientific, and bureaucratically organized structures. Weber explores how the enchantment of the world diminishes in the face of systematic and calculated approaches, contributing to the emergence of a more secular and rational society. The transition from medieval societies with rich mythologies and spiritual beliefs to the scientific and industrialized world of the Enlightenment illustrates Weber's concept of disenchantment. As science and reason gained prominence, the magical and mystical elements of the world were replaced by systematic and rational explanations. 5. The iron cage of rationalization. Weber introduces the notion of the iron cage to describe the unintended consequences of rationalization. While rationalization brings efficiency and predictability, it also leads to a mechanistic and dehumanizing environment, where individuals may feel trapped by bureaucratic structures and impersonal systems. In the modern world, the iron cage manifests in various forms. Bureaucratic organizations, characterized by strict rules and regulations, can create a sense of alienation and loss of individual autonomy. The relentless pursuit of efficiency and profit in capitalism often results in a dehumanizing environment, where individuals feel constrained by the demands of a profit-driven system. 6. Contemporary Relevance and Critiques. Weber's ideas on charisma, disenchantment, and the iron cage continue to resonate in contemporary discussions on sociology, political science, and cultural studies. However, his theories are not without criticism. Some argue that his concepts may be Eurocentric and may not fully capture the diversity of human experiences across cultures and historical contexts. Applying Weber's concepts to contemporary phenomena provides insights into ongoing societal dynamics. Charismatic political leaders, such as Barack Obama or Jair Bolsonaro, exemplify the enduring relevance of charismatic authority in shaping political landscapes. However, critics point out that Weber's emphasis on Western experiences may limit the applicability of his ideas to non-Western cultures. 7. Impact on modern discourse. Weber's Charisma and Disenchantment. The Vocation Lectures has left an enduring impact on modern social sciences. Scholars across disciplines continue to draw inspiration from his concepts, applying them to analyze contemporary societal dynamics, political movements, and cultural shifts. The concepts of charisma and disenchantment are applied to analyze contemporary phenomena, from the influence of charismatic leaders in populist movements to the impact of rationalization on various aspects of society. Weber's ideas have found resonance in discussions on the challenges posed by technological advancements, globalization, and the interplay between tradition and modernity. 8. Conclusion. Max Weber's Charisma and Disenchantment. The Vocation Lectures remains a cornerstone in the study of sociology and social theory. Through the lens of charisma, authority, and disenchantment, Weber offers profound insights into the dynamics shaping the modern world. This article has provided a comprehensive exploration of the key themes within the Vocation Lectures, from the nature of charisma and the 3 types of authority to the process of disenchantment and the iron cage of rationalization. As we reflect on Weber's enduring legacy, it becomes evident that his ideas continue to illuminate the complexities of human societies, providing a foundation for understanding the past and navigating the challenges of the present and future.